Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have Vivek, Navdeep, and Suraj Joshi have joined for a group discussion. Today's topic of group discussion is reservation. We know that there is reservation in our society for the unprivileged people in the government job, in admission process in the government institution, and in many more places there is a reservation system. So let me first discuss about that. Why why our society require this reservation system, that is caste based reservation system in 21st century also. So what happens, there is inequality in our society. So when the human history begins, the human were used to caught the animals and used to eat. So the 90% of the human history have not.
Your voice is cracking, Mangalam.
My voice is cracking, so I think network issue at my end. So Vivek, please continue.
Yeah.
Thank you for Mangalam ji giving opportunity to discuss about privatization, reservation. Sorry, reservation. Reservation is a big point in this time to discuss about in our country and our world, overall world. Reservation is depend upon person to person, casteism, because in this time they are fully depend upon casteism. No matter to you are belongs to poor family and you are belongs to a rich family, this is no matter. Only one matter to you are going on to according to caste. This is, I think, they are the very traveling point. I think I can say reservation have a lots of advantage or disadvantage, like as a lower caste take the reservation, or lower caste is grow up and after reservation they are grow up in a big place and achieve many and more. They are the big opportunity to below caste. I think reservation is come in some time before before in independence our country. They are approx 1832 and at that time all our person in India, they are not supported the reservation, and some person are supported. At that time reservation come only one motive, like education is grow up very big level. They are only motto, and because at that time a small level person are not growing source of other. Without reservation, without a reservation, no going with all decided of minister and British government are convinced to everyone, British government, and they are decided to the reservation. And after independence, Mahatma Gandhi and Bhimrao Ambedkar are coming reservation, and they are based on the casteism, like as a SC, ST, and OBC, and 50% reservation is given by the government at that time, and they are included at 10 year. But after politician politically issue are made at that time, or they are increasing time to time that reservation. But they are the you can say this is a sometime is better, because at that time, in this time, all person are not aware to equality. This not believe in equality, because in this time all persons are not equal, because I belongs to village area, and in this time village area is in this time in village area discrimination is a very big issue. Approx 50% discrimination is present here there. Like as a scheduled caste, like as a scheduled caste is for a feast purpose is give a nyota, like a nyota, then a big person like a journal and minority person are not coming there, because they are only one thing is this person is below, and discrimination of a casteism, you can say, and this time this is not fully prepare a person at this casteism. They are the reservation is necessary to scheduled caste, but some cases reservation is not better, because reservation is reservation made a lower castes of a inert, like as a no hard work do, and no effort more than that. If you they are want to some to do, then not effort 100% to, because they have a reservation, and they are depend upon the reservation, and only one seat they want, and they are they want, and they are want to one seat, and one seat any type of they are give like a reservation. So this is a disadvantage of reservation, but reservation of those person is advantage who are become a very big place, and they have a no resource of anything, and they want to very big place, and they belongs to rural area, and they have no money. Then government give them money form of reservation, and that are many type of many types. Then this person reservation are beneficial to that type of person. A reservation is you can say reservation is not a very good and not a very bad. They are depend upon person to person financially, because and reservation, I think, according to my point of view, reservation need that type of person who financially very big, and they are in below the poverty line. I think government give the opportunity to grow in life, in that his life. I think my point of view, and reservation have a and reservation depend upon the education, because education which person have a educated, they are fully depend upon the himself. They are not depend upon the reservation is take reservation, and they are no beneficial to reservation. They are only one motto to I am working hard, and then I achieve own himself capability to achieve any job and any place. They are not depend upon the reservation, but reservation is a beneficial for that person, but they are not fully depend upon the reservation. And a reservation is a secondary matter to that person, and reservation and untouchable issue that time in independent of India. But in this time, touchable issue is fully go fully stopped. In this time, anyone no see untouchable issue in created in any places, and color issue they are not created, but only one issue as a financial issue and caste issue is few are present in our society, but they are, I think, my I believe to they are fully stopped time to time, and after some time they are fully stopped, fully ruined sometime. And discrimination is a not matter to educated person, because education is coming and they are realized to uh, perfectly social living thing, a social creature. They are understand the social creature, and we are a human being, and we are the social creature, and we are understand that type of issue, that they understand that type of issue, and they are fully against to discrimination, and discrimination is a reservation is a part of discrimination, and government take a risk, take a very big point to reservation, because discrimination is a that time a very big issue, and they are the main motto to government take big decision. And thank you, that's all my point.
Yes,
My side.
thank you, Vivek, for your point. Suraj Joshi, please continue. Uh, please conclude your opinion in 5 or 6 minutes. Don't exceed with 6 minutes, please.
Okay, thank you, Mangalamji. Thank you, Mangalamji, for giving me opportunity to discuss about on the topic of reservation. I want to express some points on the GD topic reservation. Considering what is reservation? Reservation is a positive action in India that historically dis disadvantaged group to place in education, politics, and employment. And second thing, some of the pros of reservation in India and some of the cons of reservation in India. I will give you points. What are the pros of reservation in India? Then after I will tell you what are the cons of reservation in India. Number one, pros. Number one, that you have seen that we all students have seen that in a rural area and in the uh, urban area that so many students are not educated educated from this from reservation. They will able to get education. Number one. Number second, in employment, you have seen that so many students have not good marks as compared to uh, mm, uh, general caste. I mean, those students who are from lower caste, but they don't have good marks as compared to general caste, but still they are getting job. This is first approach. And second thing, in politics, many people are from lower caste, but they get ticket in uh, politics due to reservation. And and number four approach, that you have seen that I am also doing a BTech from Bhaktiyarpur College of Engineering. So many students are from this group are doing BTech in state government of Bihar College. That you have seen that many seats are available for the student, those students who are from scheduled SC, ST, and OBC. So some of the seats some seats are reserved for that category, And in India, there are two types of category. Number one, open category, and open reservation category. Second one, open category. This one. And this reservation will be started by Bhimrao Ambedkar, 1949. But Bhimrao Ambedkar was told that at that time this reservation will be up to 10 years. But politicians have unbenefited. They will extend to so far for getting vote. And some of the cons of reservation. Number one, the reservation create inequality among the people. Number one, this is the main uh, uh, step. This is the main thing due to reservation inequality create among the people. And number second, due to reservation, brain drain will be create among the student. What is the meaning of brain drain? You have seen that so many students are from IIT, NIT, state government college, private college. They got educated in India, but after that they will go to foreign for higher income. So why this will happening in India? Due to reservation. So many students, they don't have good marks, but still they are at top position of India. But those students who have good marks, they are still not getting job at the higher authority job. That's why he think that in India there is no place for the good job. That's why he will go for he will go he will go in foreign. Number second, number third, number third, decrease in quality. You have seen that so many students are from so many students are from lower class, lower caste, SC, ST, OBC, and Dalit, Mahadalit. Like they have not much marks as compared to the general caste, but still they are getting job in government sector. This will reduce the quality of this will reduce the quality of our action, quality of our job. इट मीन्स जैसा कि हम लोग देखते हैं क्या कि मतलब कम मार्क्स पे ही वो चले जाता है, तो इससे क्या होता है क्या कि वो एक मतलब अपने क्या बोलते हैं क्या कि जैसे कोई भी काम करेगा, जैसे कि हम लोग अपने देश में देखते हैं क्या कि मतलब जैसे पुल बनता है, तो पुल में क्या होता है कि वो पुल बना 1 साल के बाद फिर वो टूट जाता है। इट मीन्स क्या, क्योंकि वो कम लोअर लोअर मार्क्स वाली को लिया था ड्यू टू रिजर्वेशन। सो दिस इज नॉट द ट्रू वे। Okay, thank you, Mangalam.
Yes, thank you, Suraj, for your point. Rajiv, please continue. After Rajiv, Navdeep will speak, and at last I will speak.
Navdeep, after Navdeep, I will.
Okay, Navdeep, please go ahead.
Okay, no problem at all. Thank you, Mangalam ji, for giving me opportunities to speak about the reservation. As we know, Suraj and Vivek already told about what is reservation. So I would like to add some point. Why do we need reservation? Why reservation is needed in caste system? So the reservation needed in caste system to correct the historical injustice that is going in our society. And second point is to level the playing field for the backward class. Means some upperclassmen have already they have the resources, and the backward class do not have resources, so that they have to maintain at a same level. And third point is to provide to ensure the adequate representation of backward class in the society. I would like to add one more point that for the advancement of backward for the advancement of backward classes and to ensure the meritocracy, that is means we should not judge them by merit, means those who have higher merits should not be judged to the to that who has lower merits. As Suraj was saying that the low marks would get admission in IITs, and the marks who have higher, that they did not get, that's why the quality is decreasing. I think that they should give him the financial support, not the merit wise support. That's all.
Yes, thank you, Navdeep.
Okay, wonderful points added by Navdeep Kumar and Suraj Joshi and Vivek Kumar. Today's topic is reservation. Why in the current scenario we see that in 2 to 5 years, 3 to 5 years, in our society there are very debate and very unstable things are happening on the topic of reservation. Some people are saying reservation should not be in our country. Some those who are taking the profit of reservation, they said it is necessary for us and it is necessary for society. But a group of people, those who not support the reservation, are against in reservation, and a group of people who are supporting reservation, they are in the support of reservation. So what is reservation? Which type of which group of people needed for this reservation, and why the government have take reservation for the society. So reservation is the part of our society. Sorry, reservation must be our society, because reservation helps to uplift the economical backward people to maintain their level. So we are the human, and we live with food, roti kapda or makan. So these are the basic needs for us. So every in any country or in any region, these are the basic needs for human. So these things can be fulfilled by their government, or this type of the government should make this type of system, so that any people of the society cannot affected or cannot suffer from the essential need like food and clothes and home. So which type of people should need of reservation? So in our country, reservation provides to economical backward society, like in education system, in job sector, and in taking the seats in the parliament. Okay, so these are the three things that that provides the government to the economical backward society, so they can uplift and they can survive in the society. And we because these things are not available to them, so they feel guilty in the society, and they are very backward in the country. So these are the things that are need for the reservation. So in our country, during the Britisher times, it has started. The time was 1932. The मतलब उस समय अंग्रेजों का सरकार था, उस समय इसको स्टार्ट किया गया. सो बेसिकली the originated the इसका मेन मोटो ये था कि ब्रिटिशर्स का फूट डालो और शासन करो. So they are started this type of reservation, like they divided the society in the different groups, like मतलब कि ये like different castes. Okay, so and there are many such type of people, they are handicapped. Okay, so from they have also need of reservation. And why reservation is a debate for our country? What is the reason behind it? The main reason is that we have a lack of resources in our country, and due to lack of resources, everyone wants to take a lot of resources, and they want to use it. The higher class family are used resources a lot, and the lower family cannot got these resources. So these systems are very bad, and nowadays it's happening more and more, because we see that a large number of companies, like e-commerce companies, they got millions and billions, trillions dollars earning from a year, and they got the money from the poor families, and so that they the poor families cannot got their resources. So this is why the reservation is important for our country, or for any country which have a group of people who are backward. So why it is the मतलब ये डिबेट का मामला क्यों है? Because first thing is the lack of, okay, so I am concluding in short. So lack of resources, and the another thing is that there are two category of people. One who have taken reservation, and who have like the general in our society, the general categories are not taken reservation, and other category taken reservation. So in our society, there are two types of mentality are made. One thing is that who are taking reservation, they thought these are the essential need for us, because it helps me to getting job, it helps me to I learn getting education in free of cost, and these are the things. But the another type of people who did not get reservation, they are thinking that the people who take reservation, they are not skilled and getting their job in the large company, and they destroy our destroy the companies, and they label down the company, and they are not more skilled. So these are the things. So I am not taking more time. So these points are from my side. I would like to invite other for putting their opinion.
Yes, thank you, Razik, for the wonderful.
After that, I will say one to
Yes,
two
thank you,
points.
Razik, and all the speakers for the wonderful point. So all have highlighted about the point about the reservation. Let me confirm that My voice is okay. Is there any network
Yeah,
problem at
it's
my end?
good.
Okay, I think
Yes, your
Yeah,
voice is
something
not
is,
audible
but it's
clearly.
okay.
No, no, Mangalam, you are audible clear.
okay. So yes, so let me start with my opinion about the reservation. As the previous speaker told about the reservation system, Navdeep have highlighted the point about the anthropological point of view, that how reservation system started, and he also highlighted the point meritocracy, and Suraj and Vivek highlighted the point about the caste-based reservation system. So just after independence of India, after 1947, we have given the reservation to the SC and ST category, so that they will lift and come to the mainstream of the society. So back to the in the independence of the India, we have exploited that type of person since a long time. Initially, from the human history, we have no any caste-based reservations. Caste-based, we have not any caste. Depending upon the work, we have divided all the humans into the four castes that you must have read in the social science. So, but in the current scenario, we are living in the 21st century, where the government sector is going to be privatized, and everything, and the economy is going at the fast pace. So there is a argument that is this reservation is need at that time also. So I think that as of now, the uh, reservation is as in after 1947. Reservation was initiated for about 10 or 20 years, uh, and around 1990 also the reservation to the OBC categories were given, and further government divided many EBC and so many categories to gain some uh, uh, political support. So I think that as of now, there is two main evil of the reservation system. First thing is that political party used as a tool to the reservation system to gain some vote. Second point is that it is something like a spoon feeding to the society who are reserved. Suppose there is a group of person who are preparing for exam, and the cutoff is 60 marks for a particular category, and the 30 marks is cutoff for a particular category. So the person who have the 60% category cutoff, who will they will prepare in a better manner to crack the 60 marks of cutoff. But on the other hand, the person having the only 30 cutoff, they will think only of the 30. Means I think that this type of reservation system limits their thinking level. So so this is even harmful for the person who have reservation. Second evil is that upper caste, those who have not reservation, recently uh, although the recently government had given 10% reservation on the economic point of view, but I don't think that reservation is so much significant for them. Yes, a few days back, I was reading newspaper, and there was a report that only in IIM, that is Indian Institute of Management, 90% of the seat for the SC and ST faculty are vacant. So the question arises, why these seats are vacant? So it is because that there are less number of candidates who are eligible for that seat. So even we see that after means 70 year of the reservation, only a few families of that category grow, and the rest of the society even are less privileged, means they even need reservation. So yes, they even need reservation. So I'm not going to speak so more. Uh, so I think that it is the high time to rethink about the reservation system. as of now it is based on the caste system, and we should do it on the economic basis. So and if we do it on the caste basis, then we should provide them financial support. Okay, so let us suppose if any student from the SC/ST category wants to study in IIM, then we should provide some financial support, not this type of support that uh, you uh, you uh, uh, that you uh, we should not provide the support on the basis of the merit. So if we provide a reservation on the basis of the merit, then it will even harmful for our country and even harmful for that candidate. Why this is harmful? Because we see that in many workplaces that the person who came to the job by reservation, they started at the job at the age of 25, and after the retirement at the age of 60, they remain in the same position. They even didn't get promotion. Why? This is because as they are from reserve category, they get into the job with low marks. So their I think there is mind is not developed at that level, although it is not good to say. So they retire at the same level. Second thing is that in many organizations, the person from the reserve category faces discrimination. Upper caste people says that you came from the reservation. Okay, so this is something like led to the division. This is something like discrimination in the workplace, and it destroys the self-respect of the person who get reservation. So uh, uh, so I think reservation should be revisited, and it should be depend upon the economic basis of the point, and we should provide financial support to pursue the student higher education rather than uh, we are right now promoting, as Navdeep said, merit